बुझला difference between procedure and functions. The article explain about the difference between SQL server functions, use a different function and store procedures.
Okay.
Okay.
Fractional practice B.
Okay. Store procedure may or may not return value. Right? May or may not return value, but function should return value. Okay, समझे? What is this? It is written a function should return value. Okay, based on the function type, it will return the result. Based on the function type, it will return the result. Okay, if we have written scalar function, then it will return scalar value. If we have written tabular function, then it will return multiple rows. Okay, we cannot.
Scalar value and
Scalar means single value. Okay, multiple rows, one table written करें. We cannot write function without any return type. We cannot write the function without any
value to the calling program.
Calling program. Store procedure cannot be used in select, where and having clause. Okay, right? Select, it is written. Store procedure cannot be. It will throw an error. Okay. It will throw similarly it will throw an error. Similarly, store procedure cannot be the part of the SQL query anywhere. Store procedure cannot be used in SQL query. Okay, but function can be called with select, where and having clause. You got it? Okay, now यहाँ पे लिखो select from fn underscore employee bracket of 3. Now what is the bracket of 3?
3 number table ना लेती है.
It is a parameter. It is parameter. Okay. Store procedure can run independently. Store procedure can run independently. Okay. It can be executed or execute command or execute using execute or execute command. Okay. Store procedure can run independently. Once the program store procedure is compiled, then it can be executed. It can be executed using the SQL command statements execute. Okay. Okay. Function cannot run independently. Okay. It has to be part of the SQL statements. Right? It is temporary table. You understand? Okay. Now, but it can be created in store procedure. Store procedure allow us to create temporary table in store procedures.